Okay, hello. Today I'm going to introduce the E4 lock mechanisms. This is very similar to the E2, however this is made from a zinc alloy. So in the box you will receive the inside mounting handle. You will also receive the inside mounting plate, the external locking mechanism with the key. This is the SC keyway. Then you'll also have the door deadbolt that will go into the lock, as well as the screws that go into the lock for the deadbolt, and also the screws for the mounting plate. Now let's go ahead and start. We're going to take the door deadbolt latch and make sure you install it with this side up. And then we're going to insert it right inside the hole. We will take two of our screws here out of the package. I will use the two small screws to attach this to the door. Just make it nice, a little snug, and then do the bottom one. Because this is a retrofit set, it will easily mount to any door. All right, so that was the hard part. Okay, now we are going to install the lock. We're going to start with the exterior door handle, or the exterior handle. As you can see, that this is the one that has the key, and on the back part of it here, this one has all the mechanism and has the most of the weight. We will also be installing it with the back plate. As you can see, there's a rubber gasket here that we will be installing, and that goes against the door. Okay, when we insert this lock, we also want to make sure that we trim this to size. We can test it for this thing. As you can see on this groove, there are multiple markings, which you can take a pair of pliers and break one off. If pliers are a little too hard for you, you can also use a simple hacksaw to loosen it and then try again with the pliers. Now, make sure, as you can see on the gasket here, it has these arrows that point up. Make sure that one is up, and then you will insert it into the lock. Okay, now I'm going to install the back plate. As you can see, this side goes up and it goes against the door. Put the back plate on, and then you will hold it for a second and find the screw, find the hole. You gotta kind of play with it a little bit. Before you tighten it too much, grab your second screw and insert that. Now you can tighten both. Okay. Do not over tighten. You can get it snug, but do not over tighten, as some doors might compress a little bit. And there we go. Okay. All right, so when you install the front, you will have the latches, and you will put it on the lock. You will just do a little counter twist, and then you will twist counterclockwise, and now it's locked and secure. It won't come off, and then it has a bottom secure screw that you will put right here on the bottom. So now, when you leave your house, all you need to do is just give it a little twist, and now it's locked. It cannot be unlocked or can't do anything. To unlock it, just insert the key when you get home and unlock, and your key comes out. Also, when you are working outside, so you don't accidentally lock yourself out, we have a safety latch here. So it doesn't accidentally lock yourself out. It cannot be turned while you are outside working in the yard and left your keys inside. On the inside, to lock the door, you just turn the lock. To unlock, you just turn it back. It also has a safety latch here, so nobody can move it. And then also, at night, you can lock it, turn on the safety latch, and you cannot unlock it. And you can also not use the key or unlock it from the outside.